Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First off, let me express gratitude to you for watching this video. I ask that you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and I also ask that you watch the full video. Now, this video serves as an introduction to this channel. In this video, I'll be explaining the purpose of the channel, and I'll be giving a little background as to who I am and why I believe this channel is important. So, stay tuned. My name is Errol Martin, and I am a teacher by profession, trained at the University of Technology, Jamaica, where I pursued a Bachelor of Education degree in Business Studies. After graduation, and as time progressed, I recognized two things. One, I had developed a love for teaching principles of accounts. It's my baby. Love it to death. Secondly, I recognized that there was a fear from my students for pursuing further studies in principles of accounts. I could not understand why this fear, because as far as I'm concerned, principles of accounts is a little easy, providing you practice. But over time, I recognized the root of the problem, and the root of the problem was there was a need for a simpler approach, a way to teach the principles and the procedures that are found in principles of accounts and furthermore accounting, a way that would allow instruction to make the process of learning a little bit easier. For example, if you can turn the process of understanding double entry, for argument's sake, into steps or a simple process, thereby allowing the students to understand double entry a little bit better. That's what was missing. And there lies the purpose for this channel. The sole purpose of this channel is to provide a simpler approach to understanding the principles and procedures found in principles of accounts, thereby making teaching and learning a whole lot easier. Having said that, 3 videos will be uploaded each week. 1 at the beginner level, 1 at the intermediate level, and 1 at the advanced level. Now, this channel will primarily be instructing principles of accounts at the CSEC level. Therefore, beginner will be for those who are just starting out the syllabus. Introduction, accounting equation, double entry, stuff like that. For those who are at the intermediate level, will be for those who are at that point in the syllabus where they are looking to get an understanding of topics such as control accounting, and bank reconciliation statements, for example. And the advanced videos will be for those who are almost at the end. Partnership, manufacturing, basic costing principles, and so on. I am excited to start this journey with you, to help you to understand principles of accounts in a different way, from a simpler approach. But before we do that, I have 2 things that I must tell you. Number 1, principles of accounts can be a little tedious to understand at times. But I have an analogy that I want to give to you that will help you to see the light a little clearer. Principles of accounts is a marriage union between theory and the practice. They go hand in hand. They work simultaneously. They cannot be separated. They are like Beavis and Butthead or Romeo and Juliet. They stay together at all times. What do I mean? Theory is that section of the equation wherein you must know the theoretical aspect of the subject. What it is, what the context in which it is taught, and how it works. The practice is where you use the theory and spend quality time to practice the theory. Now, when the both of them come together, it will facilitate a deep-seated understanding of the content, thereby allowing you a a wide appreciation and understanding. Let us use an example. Let us say you are at the beginner stage, double entry for argument's sake. Now, theory is where you would have to understand that double entry is a process of recording a transaction twice, once on the debit side of an account and once on the credit side of an account. Now, the theory aspect of it would mean that you would have to understand that definition and what it is and what it means and the little intricacies roundabout. Now, practice is the section where you would take that theory, and when you are opening your double entry accounts to put in the information, you would therefore remember that when I'm doing double entry, I need two accounts. I need to debit something and I need to credit something. Yes, you see where I'm going with this? So when you join the two together, it helps you to understand the topic, and you understand it in such a way that in whatever shape or form it comes at you, having understood the theory and having practiced it, you'll be able to manipulate the topic in any way, shape, or form. That's thing number one. Thing number two, always remember the topics that come before. There are some topics that you are going to be required to do that would piggyback, allow me to use that term loosely, that would allow you to piggyback off previous topics. For example, control accounting. Control accounting piggybacks off double entry. So if you don't have a firm grasp of double entry, then it means that control accounting is going to be an issue for you. See where I'm going with this? Yes. So I offer you those two things that hopefully will help you, that when you have started your journey, if you have already started your journey, or if you're almost at the end of your journey, it would provide you with an understanding, a broader scope that would help you to study and to practice. And having understood principles of accounts, you won't have any fear whatsoever in targeting advanced studies, providing that's your thing. That's it for my introductory video, and I'll see you again next time as we target principles of accounts with a simpler approach. Doodles!